Welcome to Shy Anita's Engaging Classroom, where learning meets fun. So, today we are going to cover the aspect of inserting objects, GIFs, and all these different things in Google Slides. So, as you might remember, we were trying to make a different slideshow for each one of them. For the whole series, make a list of slides, and then at the end, you can see how much you progressed by looking at the quality of your slides. So, today we're going to cover the aspect of inserting stuff. Now, where is the insert button? So, if you're on a Google Slides thingy like mine, on the very first video, I showed you how to open the Google Slides thing. If you didn't watch that video, go check it out first. The link is in the description box. So anyways, if you see, I have this window open, and then I have my file, edit, view. Under the title section, this is the insert part. I think you can see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, fairly sure. So I'll click on insert, and I have loads of different things, but we're going to try out all of them. So do not worry. I'm going to show you all of them in this video. So first of all, what I'm going to do, now new slide and slide numbers are pretty much common, so I'm not going to be doing that because that's not inserting. But I will be showing all these ones. All these ones till word art. Okay, so if I go to image, it's gonna show me, it's gonna show me 5 options. Upload from computer, stock and web, drive in photos, camera, and by URL. Oh, it went again. Okay, never mind. So it's gonna show me these 5 options. Now, upload from computer and stock and web are the most common ones. So I'm going to show you by uploading from computer. So, oh my god, it's gone again. So if I go to upload from computer, I'm going to get a list of stuff, and then I can find the one I want. I don't know. Yeah, I can find, suppose, this one. I'm going to select this, and it's gonna get inserted. I don't want this, so I'm gonna delete this. Now, the second most, well, I wouldn't say second most, they are the most common. So, is stock and web. Now, how do you do that? I am not sure you can see everything. Let me wait. Right, I'm pretty sure you can see it now. I kind of just zoomed everything in. So, basically, that window just opens me this. Yeah, you can see like half of everything. So if I search, suppose computer, for example, I'm gonna get stock images, I'm gonna get GIFs, I'm gonna get stickers, I'm gonna get Google Images. Now, if I go on these arrows, I can take a look at more of the options there, and for every one of them. For example, here I just want to select like oh my god, it's gone again. Computer. Okay, my spelling is horrible. Anyways, so for example, I want to select this. So I'm going to go that, and that's going to get inserted. So I have a wide selection to be choosing from. Yeah, a wide selection. Right, so back to work. So this is inserted here. I can get a bunch of more images and stuff. Yeah, I'm not going to show that. Next is text box. So text box is very simple. If you put a box here, okay, let me first change the background. Okay, so if I go to insert, click on text box, and I put like a box here, and then inside it I can just write And then if I click on it, it's gonna get saved. Very simple. And if I wanna edit it again, I just click on it again, and then I can edit it quite easily. I can rotate it, I don't know, yeah. Increase the size, decrease the size. It's just like a normal text box. I'm gonna delete this for now. Let me first rotate it back and then increase it. And then I'm gonna go and keep it down here. So our title is gonna be insert, and I'm gonna change the font into Merriweather. Yeah. So this is what we're learning today. Next, in insert, we have a shape. So I can choose in the shapes, I can choose different shapes, I can choose arrows, I can choose callouts, I can also choose equations. Personally, I am really fancied by this shape. So I'm going to be choosing this. And then if you see, this is kind of like a plus sign. And if you drag it, yeah, I'm going to make it small. I like small stuff. And then selecting this, we can fill color. Like, I don't want to fill, I want to make it yellow because smiley faces are yellow. Then I can go and do the, what are these? Simple, I can make it black instead of blue or something. I can put in border weight. I don't want to do it. It looks horrendous. I can put in different styles of border. I'm just gonna keep this. I like it. So here we have a smiley face. Beautiful. Next in line, and we can also increase the size, decrease the size, rotate like any other ones. Next in insert, we have diagram. So I can get like a hierarchy diagram, a timeline, a process, a relationship, a cycle, view all. There are tons and tons and tons and tons of them. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click on timelines because I really like timelines. I can select what color I want it. I can select which type I want it. Suppose I'm going to select this, and here we go. Oh my god. Let me just increase it a bit. And then I can quite easily just, edit all these stuff like 2024 maybe. Just random, we can edit them all. I'm going to delete this because it's causing a lot of problems. Delete this part. Yeah, that's fine now. So yeah, it looks pretty okay now. So we learned how to you can insert, you don't have to insert a timeline, you can insert something else. Now is a table. How much of a table do I want? 2 by 2. And then I can drag the table up here probably. And then if I go, I can enter stuff. Okay. Different stuff. I can you don't have to make a 2 by 2 table. How am I doing it? You see, it's 1 by 1. I can go, and the max is infinity. No, max is 20 by 20. You can go more than that. Next is a chart. I don't know, a pie. Yeah, there we go. It's inserted. Let's me see. Link chart. We can open source. We can kind of increase the size. Very simple stuff, I would say. But they are actually really simple if you see them actually properly. So this is what we have learned. I am going to take an examination, so you better learn it properly. Next is a line. What kind of line do I want? I'm going to put a scribble. Just scribble on. I can also change the color. Um, where's the color option? I can change if I wanted to point somewhere. I can change the line and suppose like this. I can change two pics. I don't know, like these lines, and here we go. So wonderful, a totally amazing line drawn by me. Next in line, the final one, we have word art. Um, I don't know, Shayanita. I really like my name. I use it anywhere. You can use any other name. Enter to save, and here we go. We can change the font, for example, Merryweather. I'm getting obsessed with the form. We can format the options. We can drop shadow and all. I don't know, shadow, make it like opacity really much. Angle, pretty, yeah. Distance, no. Zero, no, it actually has to be at a distance. Blur radius, no. Yes. Then we go to reflection. We can select what kind of reflection we want. We can put the size as like huge, and then we can put the distance as 0. And we can go to all text, and then we put description in it. We can put the size and rotation. We can change position. So I'm gonna decrease the size of it. I'm gonna first put it away. Then I'm gonna go Control Z. Then my God, I don't know, keep it somewhere. Right, so I'm gonna increase the size this way. Kind of. Yeah, very simply, I've done an amazing thing. So that's it. That's it for today. We have covered the whole insert part of the Google Slides. So give yourself a big round of applause. You totally deserve it. If you have a device, like availability to a device at home, do try it out. It's gonna be wonderful for you to try it out by your hand. So until next time, it's me, Shayanita, dropping off. Bye.